Hello, and welcome to our channel. We're so glad you're here. Today, we have a heartwarming story that will inspire you to embrace your unique self and let go of comparisons. Get ready to join Percy the Peacock on a journey that will remind us all of the beauty in being ourselves. So sit back, relax, and let's dive in. Meet Percy the Peacock, a bird known for his dazzling feathers. But lately, Percy has been feeling a little unsure of himself. Every day, Percy would strut around, showing off his magnificent tail, but something always made him feel different from the others. He watched the sparrows flutter quickly, the doves gliding gracefully, and the parrots squawking loudly, thinking,
Why can't I be more like them? Why do I always have to stand out so much? Maybe my feathers are too much.
Percy was comparing himself to the others, wondering if he was too flashy, too loud, or too different. He thought maybe if he could blend in, life would be easier.
Percy, why do you look so sad, young one?
I just don't know if I'm enough. Everyone seems to do things so differently. I wish I could be like the others.
Ah, I see. But Percy, let me remind you of something important. Your feathers? They're a gift, not a burden. They make you special, unique, and beautiful. You're not meant to be like the sparrows, the doves, or the parrots. You're meant to be you. Each of us has our own purpose in this world. The sparrows fly fast to gather food. The doves bring peace with their gentle wings. The parrots brighten the forest with their colors and voices. And you, Percy, with your vibrant feathers, remind us all of the beauty in standing out. You are a symbol of confidence, of grace, and of individuality.
Percy realized that he had been so focused on comparing himself to others, he forgot that he was already perfect just as he was. His feathers didn't need to be like anyone else's. They were his own, and they told his unique story. It's easy to fall into the trap of comparison, especially when we see others excelling in ways that seem different from us. But remember, no one can be you, and that's your superpower. Your talents, your quirks, and your uniqueness are what make you shine. Embrace who you are, just like Percy did. You are enough, just as you are. Thank you for joining us today. Remember, you are your own kind of beautiful. Don't compare your journey to anyone else's. You are perfect just as you are.